In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open an HSBC account online in the UK, providing a comprehensive guide for 2025. Opening a bank account online can seem a bit daunting, but don't worry. By following these steps, you'll find it a straightforward process. To get started, it's essential to choose the type of account that best fits your needs. HSBC offers several options, including standard, advanced, premier, or student accounts. Each comes with its own set of features, so I recommend heading over to the HSBC website at hsbc.co.uk to compare the benefits and requirements for each type. Take your time to review and select the one that aligns with your financial goals and lifestyle needs. Once you've decided on the type of account, it's time to start your application. You can conveniently begin this process online, either through the HSBC website or by using their mobile app, whichever you find more accessible. The interface is user-friendly, guiding you through each step of the application process. Next, you'll need to provide some personal information to set things in motion. This will include your full name, date of birth, and contact details. Be prepared also to upload identification documents such as a valid passport or a driving license, along with proof of your address. Recent utility bills or bank statements usually suffice for this purpose. Additionally, you'll need to provide some financial information, like your employment details and income, which helps the bank understand your financial standing. To ensure account security, HSBC may require you to verify your identity further. This often involves taking a selfie with your photo ID to confirm that your identity matches the provided documents. It's a simple step but crucial for protecting your account and personal information. After you've carefully filled out all the required details and completed the identity verification, you can submit your application. Now, it's just a matter of waiting. The approval process is typically swift. HSBC aims to review each application efficiently, and once approved, they will send your new debit card to your registered postal address. Receiving the card signals that your account is officially open and ready for you to use. And there you have it, the process of opening an HSBC account online in the UK in 2025. Remember that if you run into any issues or have questions during your application, you can always reach out to HSBC customer support for assistance. They are there to help ensure everything goes smoothly and that you successfully open your new bank account. Thank you for joining me in this guide, and I hope you find this information helpful. Now you can confidently go through the process and manage your finances conveniently with your new HSBC account.